I admire the work of service dogs, and I know that a lot goes into making a dog a service dog, so just thought I'd see if I could do it.
That's a good down. That's a very good down. Does she sit? Turn. Turn. Good boy.
Make sure that their puppies are going to be in a good home with someone who has the time and interest in giving them a safe home, training them, loving them. There's also a financial commitment. I'm responsible for paying for his training and his food and his toys, and if he's, his vet bills and all of that. So they need someone who's committed to taking care of a dog in all those ways for a year and a half.
No. Walking, there's this puddle, it had rained the night before, but most everything had dried. Yep. Walk, he touched it with his foot, you would have thought that's what he had done.
People don't know how to approach them or what to say, but if they've got a dog with them, people seem to be more comfortable talking to the dog, first. Good boy, sit. Sit.
Yes. Yes.
Sit. Thank you. Down. Sit.
Sit.
Down.
Down.
Sit.
Down.
Sit. And I've just seen service dogs around and just been really impressed with how they can help somebody who's disabled, and they also really they serve as a bridge between the disabled person and the public.